L-Seat invented the sleep mode for economy class. The L-Seat kit inserts between the cushions and the seat structure. The sitting cushion slides forward and downward at its front. A 40-degree inclined surface allows legs to extend below the seat in front. Transition mode is individual and activated by body motion. Transition is progressive, offering comfort from IFE watching, relaxing reading to sleep mode. The chosen mode is individual and does not interfere with neighbors. Tall passengers can extend and cross their legs. Installation is quick and requires no investment with our renting plan, paid back by the first day of operation and generating profits over the following 30 days. L-Seat is 16G compliant and comes with a minor mod or stock and engineering coverage.